So today I'm going to be talking about genetically engineered salmon. A genetically engineered organism is one that has the genes have been modified in order to have a different desired outcome of the organism. I'm going to be talking about genetically engineered salmon. This product has been developed by a company called Bounty Technologies, and they have gone in and introduced two new genes into Atlantic salmon. These two genes have been taken from an ocean pout, which is an eel-like fish, and the Chinook salmon, which allows the genetically modified salmon to grow 2 times faster and almost 2 times bigger than the natural Atlantic salmon. The FDA met in September of 2010 to possibly legalize the food in the area of consumers so that it could, be available for purchase in grocery stores. They did not come to any conclusions during this meeting. They thought that there was not enough evidence or studies performed by Bounty Technologies to prove it was safe for humans, as well as being safe for the environment. Bounty did perform numerous studies that they said there was no side effects or negative effects, or any effects for that matter, different from the natural Atlantic salmon on the human body. It reacted the same way as it would with the natural Atlantic salmon. Another issue that they had was the environment. These genetically modified salmon are held in pens in the Atlantic Ocean, and if there were to be a breakout or a rupture in one of these pens and the salmon they broke out, they could possibly outcompete or breed with the native salmon species, which could produce a completely different species of salmon. So that's one of the reasons that the FDA did not come to any conclusions about the salmon. They wish for more studies to be done to prove that it would be safe for the environment and safe for humans. Another issue that the FDA discussed was a food label. A food label would be placed on the packages of the genetically modified organisms, which would give the consumers a choice in purchasing genetically modified salmon or natural Atlantic salmon. Personally, if I were a consumer and I were shopping for fish, to eat that night, I would, like to have a choice of knowing what I'm buying, if it's genetically engineered or if it's natural. Once again, the FDA did not come to any conclusions, and they have postponed the next meeting until Bounty Technologies has performed more studies to make sure it's safe for the environment and more safe for humans.